Hello, and thank you for tuning in. I'm TrungX. In this time-lapse, I'll take you through the mesmerizing process of creating this Japanese-inspired diorama. Picture a colossal snake poised in front of a temple and the iconic Torii gate. After this time-lapse, I encourage you to watch the full video for an in-depth look. Before diving into the diorama, I sketched the concept using my old Wacom tablet. What are your thoughts on the initial idea? Feel free to share your comments below. As usual, I've sculpted our main character, the giant snake, using clay. Utilizing steel wire and aluminum foil for the core allows for better proportions and material efficiency. Now, let's apply the clay. Rolling out thin clay sheets. I refine the rough shape of the snake's body. The belly receives attention with the addition of texture using thin nylon. Sculpting the intricate scales is a time-consuming process that demands focus. Moving to the head, I believe a well-crafted head makes a lasting impression. How do you like the eyes? They exude a hint of fierceness, just the way I envisioned. Can you guess the part of the snake I'm working on now? It's the cobra's hood, resembling a split heart. Let's attach them to the striking head. Next, the large, elongated fangs. A short piece of copper wire within the clay facilitates easy attachment. Did you notice anything unusual? Yes, I skipped showing the process of making the tongue. Unfortunately, a camera malfunction occurred, and it was too late to reshoot. Please bear with me. The hamster seems unfazed, probably realizing it's a fake snake. I acknowledge the need to enhance my skills for more realistic clay sculptures. Now, let's move on to painting the snake. I envision dark green tones with a touch of sparkle on the scales. The color placement is arbitrary, deviating from traditional COBRAs. But aesthetics are the priority, don't you agree? Uh-oh. A realization hits that the surroundings are also green, making the snake less prominent. Despite reluctance, I switch to warm tones. Share your thoughts on this choice, your feedback is invaluable. I enjoy using a mix of colors with shimmer for the snake, providing a beautiful effect when light hits it. Unfortunately, my camera struggles to capture its true beauty. It could be the equipment or my filming skills needing improvement. Regrettably, I wish you could witness it in person. With the snake sculpting complete, it's time to craft the diorama base. Depicting a giant snake emerging from the water, gazing at a small temple on an island near the coast. Watch as I create the beach sand base with small islands carved from model foam. Adding color and model trees brings them to life. The famous Torii gate of Japan is meticulously crafted from bamboo sticks. A hiccup occurs as the cardboard base warps, requiring a shift to a plywood sheet. Crafting isn't always smooth sailing. you're still with me. Thank you for sticking around. The crafting process is nearing its end. I just need to finalize a few details. A friend suggests making the snake look even more menacing, but time is scarce, and the epoxy resin has already set. So, I decide to add some spikes to the snake. The sea surface is created using PVA glue, with the addition of a boat to breathe life into the scene. Now, let's unveil the completed diorama.